Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will see customer details from USA. Okay, how we can achieve it? Let's see. So here in the main table, we can see if I go to the main table. So orders in the is the main table. So here we can see there are so many countries. Okay, there are so many countries. So I want all the table details. I want all the customer details from only USA. Okay, so how we can achieve it? Let's see. So here we have taken a table, new table. So in this table we took two functions, calculate table and summarize. So what calculate table does? Calculate table evaluates a table expression in a modified filter context. What does it mean? So it evaluates a table. Okay, it returns a table on which basis a modified filter context. So what is the filter here? So here you can see it is calculate table and filter is this orders of country. So which country we need to retrieve the data? United States. Okay, I need all the customer details of United States only. There are another hundreds of nations are there. I need only United States data. So it will return a table on the basis of in this filter. Okay, and what will be the table? It says na evaluates a table expression. So what will be the table? That work will do summarize. Okay, so what summarize do? Summarize returns a summary table. Okay, summarize returns a summarize table. So what summarize will do? Summarize will go row by row. Okay, summarize will go row by row of order table and will take the customer id, customer name, orders of city, order date, ship date and order of country. Okay, this will go row by row. On these columns will make a separate table, and that table will be filtered by this filter, orders of country United States. Okay, so in this way it will make another table, a virtual table, and the summarize will make a virtual table and will give to calculate table, and calculate table will filter it with on this calculate table will filter it with United States only. Okay, in this way we will get a separate table that only based on United States data. Okay, so when I run this we will get like this type of table. Okay, here you can see country is only United States and all the city, customer name, customer id, order date and ship date is evaluated. Okay, so I hope you can understand what calculate table doing and what summarize doing. Summarize is basically retrieving all the data and calculate table is filtering on a filtered context. Which filtered context? That is orders of country United States only. Okay, in this way we can get another table. Here you can see this is the main table and this is the customer table only based on country of United States. So here you can see in this way we can retrieve only one filtered context data, only one filtered context table. Okay, so I think in this tutorial you can understand what I am trying to say. If you like my video, support my channel, like my video and subscribe to my channel, and if there is any doubt please comment in the comment section. It will support me and it will help to channel grow. Okay, thank you.